Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the console quickly. Make sure cheats or operator status are enabled so commands will run. Press the chat key, for most players that is T, then type a / to begin any command. Once done, use TAB to autocomplete names and parameters. This saves time and prevents typos. You see immediate feedback in chat, so you know if a command succeeded. Practice with simple commands like /timeset or /game mode to confirm access and build confidence. Next, focus on accuracy when composing commands because the console executes exactly what you type. Use selectors such as @p for nearest player or specify exact names or UUIDs for precision. Once done, include arguments like coordinates, counts, or durations to control effects. Make sure numeric inputs use digits and that you separate parameters with spaces. For repetitive tasks, combine commands in functions or command blocks. They run reliably and reduce human error. If something fails, check spelling and argument order first. Finally, execute commands and verify outcomes. Look for immediate chat feedback indicating success or an error message. If a command does nothing, make sure you have sufficient permissions, operator level on servers or cheats enabled in single player. Once done, recheck syntax and argument types because small mistakes break commands. If problems persist, use /help or review server logs and the debug report to locate permission or plugin conflicts. One key tip: replicate the command in a local test world.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.